Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting essentials in place: your iPhone 13, a Qi or MagSafe wireless charger, and a compatible 20W USB-C adapter. Once done, remove thick cases or magnetic ring accessories because they can block power transfer. Make sure case thickness is 3 mm or less. Plug the adapter into a grounded outlet and connect the charger. You should see the charger's LED or feel magnetic alignment. If not, reposition the pad and confirm the charging cable. You now place the iPhone on the charger and align it. Center the device so the charging coils match. With MagSafe, you'll feel a magnetic snap. With a Qi pad, small adjustments matter, so slide slightly until the charging icon appears. Make sure the iPhone screen shows the charging symbol and battery percentage. If it doesn't, lift and reseat the phone. Keep the phone stationary to maintain steady power transfer and monitor temperature because charging slows if the phone gets too hot. To finish, lift the iPhone when it reaches your target charge and unplug the charger when not in use to conserve energy. If charging stalls or is slow, first inspect the cable and 20W adapter, then recenter the phone. Alignment is often the culprit. Once done, restart your iPhone to clear temporary glitches. Make sure iOS is up to date. If problems persist, try a different Qi or MagSafe charger to isolate hardware issues. This single test often reveals whether the pad or phone needs attention.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.